Hello friends, we are to see the preparation of tetramine copper second sulfate monohydrate, how to prepare it in the laboratory and its procedure that we are to discuss. The tetramine copper second sulfate monohydrate is having formula CuNH34SO4H2O. The chemicals we require for this spectacle is copper sulfate 3 gram, liquor ammonia 6 ml and ethanol. Procedure: weigh 3 gram of copper sulfate pentahydrate on the balance, then dissolve it in a 12 ml of distilled water. If not dissolved properly, then heat the solution. Then cool the solution at room temperature under tap water. Then add 6 ml of liquor ammonia slowly with constant stirring. Then it forms bluish white precipitate and then it turns dark blue solution. Then add 10 ml of ethyl alcohol. Then blue precipitate settle at the bottom in the beaker. Allow the precipitate in ice cold water for 5 to 10 minutes. Filter this complex and wash with cold water and then with ethanol. Dry the product on a previously weighed watch glass and record the yield. In this demonstration, we obtain 2.89 gram of the complex. Observation: we have to write weight of tetramine copper second sulfate is X is equal to 2.89 gram. Then see the calculation. The theoretical yield is calculated on the basis of the relation between the copper sulfate and the complex. 1 mole of copper sulfate pentahydrate gives 1 mole of tetramine copper second sulfate monohydrate. The molecular weight of copper sulfate pentahydrate is 249.6 gram, while the molecular weight of tetramine copper second sulfate monohydrate is 245.6 gram. We have taken 3 gram of the copper sulfate for this preparation of the complex. So if we take 3 gram, we get 2.952 grams of the complex theoretically. Then we have to calculate practical yield. In this practical, we get practical yield of this complex is 2.89 gram. Then practical yield you have to calculate 2.952 gram of the complex gives 100% yield. Means if we obtain 2.952 gram of the complex, it means that we got 100% yield. But here we got 2.89 gram of the complex, so therefore we have to calculate the percentage by this formula. 2.89 into 100 divided by 2.952 is equal to 97.89% yield. Then we have to write the result. First, practical yield of the complex is 2.89 gram. Percentage practical yield of this complex is 97.90%, and color of the complex is a blue. In this way, we have to perform the practical in the laboratory. Thanks for watching.